Good morning, shadows. Today we are out and about in Eger. I don't know, I've heard it pronounced 3 different ways, so we're gonna say Eger. Yeah. So let's get this day started, yeah? That's where I'm going to leave Eger. By the way, Eger, whatever you want to call it, is really, really nice. It's not a party town, not that I could tell. So if that's what you're looking for, this is definitely not the place for you. But if you like castles and, cool churches and just kind of a chill environment, it definitely is a great place to come. And that is where I'm going to leave Hungary and Eger. And tomorrow we're starting our trip to Kosice. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure that out too. And Slovakia. So, with that being said, make sure you check out the description below so you can link up with my blog as well as my other social media so you get a full 360 experience of this adventure. And make sure, if you're digging on what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notice, like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell everybody all about me. And that is it. Until next video, guys, safe journeys.